A very good morning to all the students of class plus 2C. Today we are going to continue with the classified advertisements. Fine. We have already completed 4 categories: situation vacant, situation wanted, to-let services, and sale and purchase of goods. Fine. So today we will be completing rest of the categories. You can see the screen in front of you. We have done this category, to-let services, yesterday. Today we'll be doing this. Now kennel is written. What is a kennel? Kennel, the dog house is known as kennel. Fine, the dog house is called kennel, but why they have written kennel here means related to the dog. These services, sometimes you want to purchase a dog, fine, or sell it off, vice versa. So in that case, this is the category. Fine. These are the points you need to note down. Firstly, what we are going to do, we are going to do value points of all the categories today. Clear? I would be discussing the value points of all the categories. I told you more than 10 categories are there of classified advertisement, maybe 12 or 15, maybe, fine. And after doing all the value points, we will do examples. So that will be your holidays homework also. Fine. So in this breed of dog, whether it is Pomeranian, Bulldog, fine, there are n number of breeds of dog. Clear? And whatever breed you want, you can mention. Then age, color, training, price expected, contact details. So it has become quite important these days. Pets are part and parcel of lives these days. So the such kind of advertisements we can easily see. Sometimes even we'll be doing one category of lost, pet is lost or human beings are lost. In that category also pets will be there. Fine. And in the sale and purchase category also pets can be there. Clear? So this is the category and all the points in front of you. Just keep on noting down. Fine. Next category is, we'll be doing examples better later on. This is the next category, packers and movers. Now, what do you mean by packers and movers? Anybody knows, can tell me. Your class plus 2 students, you must be knowing packers and movers. Has anybody heard about this term earlier? Not a single student knows. I don't know why people, they shift our stuff from one place to another. Yes, Sukman Jyot is sending me the answer in the chat box that yes, they shift. Right answer, Sukman Jyot, that movers and packers, these services are provided by many companies. And this actually, suppose your father got transferred from one place to other city, or you are moving, you're shifting into the new home, fine, with n number of reasons. If you're shifting your house from one place to another, or your business is being shifted from one place to another, and you need movers and packers, what they do is they would be just helping you out in packing your stuff properly, that it doesn't break on the way, and they are responsible for carrying it to the destination, and they would be charging you obviously for that. So packers and movers categories that specify the services. Some packers and movers, they provide, you can say, they will be coming here to your houses and even will pack the stuff you require, and you just give instructions to them. And some categories are there, even you will be packing, they will be just moving it. So there are a lot of, so you have to specify the services over there. Fine. That you can just say XYZ movers and packers, one step ahead, and give reason why should be given a chance. So you have to highlight your services, that why you are trustworthy in the market. Again, you will not be using any sentence. Fine. You can mention the data, more than 1,000, you can say, houses or the things shifted, whatever it is, fine. You can mention the data, area of work, that even household area you work with, or only the office stuff you are just involved in. Whom to contact and contact address. You do not have much to it to write into it. Fine. So you will be just giving brief information here. Fine. But you won't be using sentences again. Then vehicle for sale. This we have already done under the category of sale and purchase. Fine. Sale and purchase of household goods, furniture, and vehicles. Clear? Even if you want to note down, you can note down again, those who did not attend the class earlier. So brand or model name, you need to mention Maruti, Hyundai, Honda, whatsoever, and year. They have not mentioned, yeah, here they have mentioned model number, color, accessories fitted, year of manufacturing, mileage covered, condition, first ownership details, whether it is handled by one owner or sometimes it is an old car, so it is run by two owners. So ownership details you need to give, price expected, contact details. This we have already done. Property for sale also we have done. Clear? But if you need to note down the points, you can. I'm just moving at slow pace only. In case of property, location, area in yards or meters, the name of the development authority, price expected, contact address. Clear? This we have done, so I won't be stressing it much. I would be stressing the ones which we have not done earlier. This one is the next category. Lost and found category beta. Now, in this category, begin with lost or found. Suppose you were traveling somewhere, you lost your bag, and it was having all the important documents you require. Like these days, we have Aadhaar card, ID cards, PAN card, credit cards, debit cards, fine. So your important certificates might be there. So if you have lost, you will start with the word lost. If you have found, suppose you were traveling and you found a bag or a file, fine, in which all the important documents of one person are there, then even you can give the advertisement. Both the cases are there. Then what you will be doing in both the cases, whether you have lost or whether you have found, you will be giving the description of the article. Article means sometimes even, a branded watch you have found, or you lost your, it's not always about losing a purse only or finding a purse only, a bag only. It can be any article also, any jewelry piece, fine, any ring, anything can be there, any article. So what are you supposed to do in the case of which, if you have lost, you will be giving minute description. But if you have found any article, any object, you are not supposed to give the complete information. Otherwise, anybody will come to you and claim it, fine, to be that object of his. So what you need to do in the case of, if you have found it, you will be giving minimal description. That suppose if you found a bag, you can mention that a black colored Gucci bag is found, fine. In that way you have mentioned, but the person at this time in this train, you can mention, but you need not tell all the stuff which was inside it, fine. The person, whosoever is concerned, can claim it by giving the details. That person will tell the details, that what was inside the bag. Then we will be, trusting them ki, okay, he's right because he knows what was in the bag. Otherwise, so anybody can come and claim it. Then reward for finding. Then you will be mentioning suitable reward. Suitable reward, rather than writing 5,000 or 2,000 and 3,000, just stick to this. Suitable reward will be given to the finder. Fine, the one who will be returning it. Contact address and phone number. Is it clear to everyone? Lost and found category. Send me thumbs up quickly. I'm just going to see whether you're sitting there or not. Sukhman, Saransh, Anmol, Suhani, Amarpreet, Fateh Singh, Anushka, Gaurav, Vanshika, Srishti, Rana Gurjeet. Now, okay, most of you fine. Fine, lost and found categories must be clear to you. We'll be doing examples and it will be more clear. Clear? You just keep on taking the notes of these value points only. Clear? Next we have travels and tours. Travels and tours category. This category is you want to go somewhere, or you are the one who is having this company of travels and tours. Both the cases can be there. You can give your advertisement also. Suppose you are the manager of ABC Travels and Tours, and you're during the holidays, most of the people go abroad, or you can say many destinations of holidays, especially the cold weathers they prefer to go. So you accordingly can make the package. You can mention, if it is not mentioned in the statement, it is your choice, whatever you want to write. Clear? And sometimes it is specified, the name of the countries or the cities it is mentioned, then you will be sticking to that only. Clear? Note down the value points of travels and tours beta. Name of the agency, fine, you can invent it. Find global tours and travels in that way. Destination and duration, then you will be specifying the destinations. Fine, you can mention, suppose a religious trip is there, you can mention that you have to follow the path. Don't write about that on one hand we are writing this. Sometimes the packages there involved, like you can just say Haridwar, Rishikesh and Masuri. That you can say all the destinations are one way, leading to one destination leading to another. So find that contains the package destination. Fine, in that way, Ajmer, Rajasthan, Jaipur, that will be another site. Fine, you got my point, how to write. So in package destinations, you will be mentioning the connected cities if you have the knowledge. If you don't have the knowledge, then write accordingly. Name of the agency, fine, destinations and durations, that whether it will be a 5-day stay, 3 nights, 4 days. Fine, night will be lesser, always remember. 2 nights, 3 days stay, because 1 day just goes into the traveling only. Clear? Singapore trip is there for 7 days, 7 nights and 8 days. Accordingly, you can mention. Then discounts, if any. Sometimes you can mention that discounts, special discounts to the early birds. This is the way, early birds, BIRDS. Fine. It means the ones who will be coming first on first serve basis. Fine. The ones who will be registering first, they will be getting discount. These days, a lot of sites are there. Tripoto is there. Then many are there. You can just find travels and tours. They are just offering a lot of discounts, whether you register from their particular app. Clear? So discounts you need to mention. You can mention discounts to the early birds, or special family package discount. Clear? And last but not the least, contact address and phone number. Fine, clear to all of you? This category, travels and tours, is quite important. Fine, I would be showing you the examples from the sample papers after it. Clear? Now we have, this is the easiest way we can do, because if we keep on writing on board, I would not be able to complete all the categories. That's why I'm showing you the screen only. Next category, they have written tuitions. Rather than, you will not be giving the heading of tuitions. Fine. All the information on it, sometimes it's not correct. You just give the heading of educational. Fine. Educational. Give the heading educational. And in educational category, beta, you have n number of services, whether it is tuitions for board classes, fine. And it can be any competitive exams, any entrance exams like PO banking, clerical banking, or any other competitive exams. For engineering, you have, fine. Then JEE is there, and NEET is there, and NTSC is there. Fine, a lot of being an accountant, fine. So many categories are there. So your heading would be educational rather than writing this casual word tuitions. Now, what you will mention in educational category, you will be mentioning the classes and subjects being taught in your institution. Fine. Special qualities of the tutor, you will be mentioning that. Sometimes teacher taught ratio you can mention. What is the teacher taught ratio? If there are 50 students, you can say, sorry, if there are 20 students in one batch, then teacher taught ratio is 1:20. Fine. If 30 students are there, 1:30. So you can mention teacher taught ratio. Why people would be joining your institution for educational purpose? Firstly, you will highlight the structure. Fine. You will be mentioning firstly that what classes are taught, whether it is a competitive of all kinds. Sometimes it is a CAT, combined entrance tests are there, combined admission tests of MBAs are there. Fine. You should have the knowledge. So you can mention the classes and the subjects taught, then special qualities of the tutor, highly experienced staff, more than 20 years experience, you can mention. Qualification, PhD, Masters, MSc and B.Ed, you can mention. Then qualification and experience of the tutor, previous results of his or her students. You know, these days our newspapers are filled with this. They just highlight the pictures, but in classified advertisements, pictures are never there. Only and only data or written content is there. No pictures are allowed in classified ads. Previous results of his or her student, that 100% success rate, find that you can mention. Contact address. Clear? If no name is given, again you can invent the name of educational institution. Then beta, next, house or flat for sale, that we have already done. Clear? To let maybe we have done, and in flat for sale and house for sale we have done already. Clear? I won't be even discussing, you know how to write. Everybody of you could do it better way. Now they have started commercial advertisements, but we won't be doing this. Clear? We have just completed classified ads. Now let me tell you, this is the category where you can see kinds of classified advertisements. Situation vacant or wanted, lost and found, sale and purchase, accommodation wanted, educational, placement services. This they have not mentioned. What is the placement services? Sometimes beta, some people are looking forward for the job. Fine, they need, suppose you need a job and you are looking forward for placement services. You can also job required, that will be the category. Or sometimes you are the owner of placement company, you are, you know, telling others that they can contact you, that you will be telling them the places where jobs are available. So they are the placement services. Clear? So they will be telling, they take a, you can say, commission for informing you about various jobs available at various places. Fine, you can say they are the resource people who would be telling you about the various resources where to apply and all. Sometimes they make your resume also in a very attractive manner, those placement services. This is the least one which we have not done earlier. Fine. Matrimonial. For matrimonial, if you read the newspaper beta, that bride wanted, this is the one which never occurs in usually the exams, but even then you should know. In bride wanted and groom wanted, if boy is required for the marriage, the heading would be groom wanted. Obviously, if you are looking forward for your sister, suppose a match, then you would be giving the heading groom wanted. If you're looking forward for your brother, maybe, then bride wanted. Clear? Then what will be in that educational qualification of the bride or groom? Fine. Then there you can say sometimes the height, complexion. Fine. You need not write the name of that person, but you would be giving the details like height, complexion, qualification, their job profile you can mention. Fine. Sometimes people have even mentioned that earning in 5 figures, in that way, that good income he or she is acquiring. Clear? In matrimonial. Fine. And at last, you can give your email address so that they can send you the pictures. Fine. And some people are quite religious. They mention their, you can say that they are Hindu, Sikh, in that way, caste or religion is also mentioned in this. Fine. In matrimonial. To-let we have done, tuitions and educational we have done, then packers and movers, scanner, travel and tours. So all the categories which we have covered so far. Tell me beta, if any doubt is there to anyone, you can ask me about the value points. If you're not clear what to write in any of the category, I would be showing you one or example each now. Just send me thumbs up if it's clear to you. Those who are listening, kindly send me thumbs up beta. Yes, Fateh Singh, Sukhmanjot, Amarpreet, Anmol, Saransh, Rasika. Okay, Suhani, placement value points. Beta, placement value point, if you are the manager of the company, suppose, fine, you want ki people should come to your company to get placement services. So you can mention that global placement services. Fine. Heading would be placement services only. Then you will be mentioning the name of the company, global placement services. Fine. or you can say the topmost company of the city. You will highlight your points. Firstly, more than 6,000 placements per year. You can give the data. Find more than 6,000 placements per year. Find students selected in companies like Wipro, you can say Sunflower, any, you can say 2, 3 companies, IBM, you can just mention 2, 3 names so that people should know that yes, this company is trustworthy. Clear? And 100% job guarantee. You can mention that. Fine. With minimum commission. You can highlight that minimum commission you take and best services you provide. For any other query, contact manager and phone number. Is it clear, Suhani? So no doubts to anyone else. Let me continue with the statements then. Now see, you are general manager of IV Software Solution Agra. You need a software engineer for your organization. That we have done. Situation vacant. Fine. Wanted software engineer for IV Software Solutions, comma, a leading name in computers. They are not using sentences, beta. Fine. But sometimes when they have used wrongly, I will be telling you. Candidate should possess master's degree. Fine. In computer software programming, comma, you can put a comma here and you can mention minimum 3 years experience required. They have written one complete line till computer concern. So rather than you can just put a comma over there after software programming and you can add minimum 3 years experience required. Remuneration, no constraint for suitable candidate. Means remuneration is the money related things, would be no constraint for suitable. If you are suitable enough, experienced enough, more you can say amount would be given. Apply with detailed resume within 10 days to general manager, IV Software Agra. Clear? More you can add up. This is the one toolet services which we have done yesterday only. You are the GM of EVL company which requires posh bungalows in company lease. This, but these examples are the board's sample papers actually. Fine, so pay attention towards it. You are the general manager of EVL company which requires posh bungalows in company lease as guest houses. Draft and advertisement, that we have done yesterday only. EVL company requires posh bungalows to be used as guest houses by their executives and guests. Accommodation in centrally located posh area with power backup facility. Uninterrupted water supply is must. Close proximity to the market will be preferred. Owners, please contact General Manager EVL Company, Delhi. One mistake is there. Can anyone tell me? What is the mistake in this statement, in this answer? Anyone? Have you noted? They have not mentioned any phone number or email. They have mentioned, yes, Suhani is right, mobile number. They have not mentioned the number because if you know this is very vague, everything you are asking for, and at last you just forget to give any contact detail. So contact number and email ID, that is must. Fine, beta. Let's do the next one. See, this is the missing person category. Fine. Lost and found is not the missing person category. Lost and found is related to the objects and articles. Missing person and missing pets is another category. Your younger brother, aged 5, has been missing from the last 3 days. Missing person. General public is hereby informed. Here you can start like this. Fine. Missing of a 5-year-old boy from Central Park in Connaught Place 3 days ago. The child responds to the name Sonu. Fair complexioned. Up, beta, rather than writing is and was na, you will just use commas. There are some mistakes in this also. Child responds to the name Sonu. Means because it is a 5-year-old child, if you will call him Sonu, he will respond. He knows his name, obviously. Responds to the name Sonu, comma, fair complexioned, comma, wearing a red shirt and denim shorts. Anyone knowing anything about whereabouts? Kindly contact Mr. Ram. Contact this 50,000 for the finder or suitable reward for the finder. Fine. This is the way. Or you can also mention that there is a, you can say, a spot on the right cheek or spot on the left cheek. Some birthmarks are there on the bodies. So you can mention which are visible ones. Fine. That you can mention in the case of children, the missing children, because they're not able to tell properly. Next one is you are Ramanujam, student of class +2 St. Xavier School, Jhansi. You are interested in giving tuition in maths to one or the two students. So maths tuition available. Tuition of maths is available for students of class 8. Not more than 2 students will be taught. 5 days a week, 4:30 to 6 p.m. Assurance of good result. Interested may contact Ramanujam, student of class +2 St. Xavier School. Again, they have not mentioned the phone number. You can mention the phone number and email ID. Clear? One or two more examples we will do. Situation vacant. Again, that we have done. Operator required for a telephone booth. Fine. Visually challenged man in Central Market. This is not required. You know, situation vacant you can do. Available for rent you can do. That we have done. Situation vacant, lost and found. This category we need to do. There is that. This is the category better. Lost a black leather ladies wallet containing my examination entry ticket for class +2. This is the beta statement which occurred twice in board exams, that you lost your entry ticket of class +2 while traveling on bus. Write advertisement for that. Lost a black leather ladies. You have to tell the color. You have to tell the material. Leather ladies wallet containing examination entry ticket for class +2 traveling on bus route number 123 from Banaras to this or any place you can write. Fine. To MG Road on this date, or you can tell the time between 4 to 5 p.m. You can tell the time also, they have not mentioned. Anyone who finds it, please contact urgently to Mr. Parveen, this and phone number. Suitable reward is promised. Fine. Suitable reward is promised. You can write that. Again, situation vacant is quite common. Rent is quite common that you have done. Land for sale, sale and purchase we have done. Office space on rent, that we have done. Motorbike vehicle for sale we have done. Again, situation vacant. You required a teacher to teach maths, experienced male maths teacher as a private tutor for a 10th standard boy. Candidate should have at least 10-year experience. Fine. In public school. Should be a strict disciplinarian. Fine. Should know the child psychology. You can add up. Fine. Remuneration, no constraint for the suitable candidate. Apply with complete data at this number and email ID. Again, situation wanted. Again, see, I told you now, you lost and found articles can be there. Lost a Casio watch, black dial, black leather strap on bus route number 205 on this date at 10 a.m. Anyone who finds the watch, please contact Gopal 4 Manav Road, Kanpur, and phone number. Finder will be rewarded with 2,500 rupees. Fine. Because the watch is quite costly. So 2,500 is a reward for this. Now see beta, this you might not have. You have cleared your IIT entrance exam and so want to sell off the reading material you have with you. Sometimes students even sell off their notes. Fine. IIT entrance exam books of IIT JEE, brilliant, worth 6,000 for sale. All books in mint condition. Mint condition is proper intact condition, not a single page is torn off. Fine. Rare chance to prepare for IIT entrance with relevant study material at half the price. Those interested, please contact Mohini, contact number. So this is also, this was one of the part of the board's exam. Clear? Reading material. So we are not left with much time. Rest they have just situation vacant, accommodation, situation vacant, house for sale, to let that we have done. Hyundai Santro for sale. Fine. So we are not left with much time with this. This is the last period before holidays. I wish you all happy holidays. Stay home, stay safe, and take care of your health and diet well. Respect your parents, love your parents, fine. Don't argue with them, fine. And be at home only. Your safety, your health is the first priority rather than going here and there. Fine, stay at home, find a hobby, learn a new skill, find, dance it out, whatever you want to do, follow your passion. These are the times when you can relish new things in your lives. Fine, otherwise you people are so busy in your tuitions and again online classes, I understand. Fine, so with this I just wish you all happy holidays.